Cardboard by Daniel Nunn. When you buy something from a store, it often comes in a cardboard box. Toys, eggs, and breakfast cereal can all come in kinds of cardboard packaging. What happens when you throw cardboard away? Cardboard is very useful, but when you have finished with it, do you throw it away? If so, then your cardboard will end up at a garbage dump. It will be buried in the ground and may stay there for a very long time. What is recycling? It is much better to recycle cardboard instead of throwing it away. Separate cardboard from your other trash and then put it in a recycling bin. The cardboard will be collected and taken to a factory. Then the cardboard will be made into something new. How can I reuse old cardboard? You can also use old cardboard to make your own new things. When you have finished with a box or roll made of cardboard, put it somewhere safe. Soon, you will have lots of cardboard waiting to be reused. You are ready to turn your trash into treasures. What can I make with cardboard rolls? Cardboard rolls are used to hold paper towels, toilet paper, or wrapping paper. But you can use them to make fun people puppets. You can also use them to make your own musical instruments. It is easy to make your own cardboard kazoo. What can I make with egg cartons? You can use an egg carton to make your own indoor garden. You can plant seeds in each cup. Egg cartons can also be made into great model insects. This spider, caterpillar, and ladybug have all been made from one egg carton. What can I make with cardboard boxes? This milk carton has been made into a bird feeder. You can use it to give food to birds all year long. Large cardboard boxes can be made into almost anything. This box has been made into a house. Make your own juice box boat. You can use an old juice box carton to make your own boat. You will need an empty juice box carton, a stick, some cardboard, tape, scissors, and a hole punch. First, cut a triangle out of the cardboard and use the hole punch to make a hole at the top and bottom. Next, slip the stick through the two holes in the triangle. Use the tape to cover the hole in the carton where the straw used to go. Then use the stick to make a hole in the side of the carton. Push the stick through the hole in the carton to make the sail and mast. Decorate the boat and put it in water. Blow on the sail to make your boat move. Sail, mast. Recycling quiz. One of these photographs shows furniture made from recycled cardboard. Can you guess which one? The answer is on page 24.